it's been a little over, or no, close to 10 months since I got my big chop, and your girl can put her hair into a high puff. I am so happy. You have no idea how long I've been waiting to do my hair in some type of high bun, high puff situation. It just makes getting ready so much easier. It's not like I've been styling my hair every single day, but you know how it is. Sometimes you just want to put your hair in a bun and go. And finally, I've been able to achieve that, and you know what I have to do now? Show you how to do it yourself, because we are in this journey together. So I'm going to show you how to easily achieve this high puff. Wait, before I get into the tutorial, I want to say, please subscribe, please. I really would appreciate it. So hit that button below, and also turn on your notifications so you know when my next video goes live. All right, now let's get into the video. So this is going to be a super quick and easy tutorial, because after all, this hairstyle is easy. That's what it's meant to do, and that is why I'm so happy to finally be able to do it. So the only product that I'm going to be using is leave-in conditioner. So I'd advise you to get a leave-in conditioner that also detangles. I'm going to be using this leave-in conditioner by Aunt Jackie's. It is the Aunt Jackie's Curls and Coils Not On My Watch Instant Detangling Therapy leave-in conditioner and detangler. The other items that you're going to need along with the leave-in conditioner are, of course, a denim brush for detangling. Also, you're going to need a tail comb to help you with sectioning off your hair. And I also like to use a hard bristle brush. This is going to make sure that your edges are nice and smooth and laid down for this. Because when you're doing a high puff, it's the same thing as a high bun back in the day when we used to have our hair relaxed. Just throw that thing into a high bun. This is pretty much the same thing. And so you want your edges to be super smooth and the back to be very nice and smooth as well. And then, of course, some clamps for sectioning. And lastly, I'm going to have these two head ties. So as you can see, I have just finished washing my hair, and now I'm going to go and section it off so I can easily detangle it before we get started styling. Okay, now that I got my hair sectioned off, I know it's not neat. I literally, you know that I hate doing like a neat section unless I'm like braiding my hair or doing a style where my sections need to be extremely neat. It really doesn't matter. Anyways, I forgot to actually mention one other item that I'm going to be using to do this style, and it's my squirt bottle with water in it, which is so important because water is the #1 ingredient when it comes to moisturizing your hair. I'm going to start in the bottom section over here. I'm just going to lightly spritz it with a little extra water. Then I'm going to take this product, put a little bit in my hands. It's nice, it has a lot of slip to it, which is great because this makes it easy to detangle and to style. So I like to, of course, detangle from the ends, and once this feels nice and soft, then I'll go up a little bit more and bring my denim brush all the way through. Okay, so this is nice and detangled, and then I'm just going to add it back to a clip quickly. Just for now, just so I can go through and detangle everything else. We'll just make it all easier in the end to gather. Okay, so now what I am going to do is take my hair out of these sections. I have all the product in it, it's all detangled, so now I'm just going to release my hair. And one thing to keep in mind is the back pieces, continuously brush them forward because that is going to be your saving grace. If you're anything like me and you have a tapered cut, this is going to be really important because my ends, the back pieces of mine are like a lot shorter than the front, and you want to make sure that those are nice and slicked down. So I'm brushing this all forward with my detangling diamond brush first. So I'm here. So you're gonna take these and you put them under, right on your neck for a second. We're gonna pull them up in a bit. So first, now I'm gonna go bend my head forward, and I'm gonna start brushing upward with the hard bristle brush. This is gonna help to smooth out the back of my hair. I'm going to pull these upward. Behind the ear. And then I'll make sure it's still on my forehead, but I'm going to pull the back upward. Alright. I like to pull it up as high as I can go before the ends. So that's the back. We go to the front. And then I'm just going to pull. I don't want you to see it. This is right here. Pull it up. Keep this. Just a light brush here. Very light. My boob's about to pop out. And then pull the sides up. I like to do this very slowly because, as I said, my hair is tapered, so my back and my sides are a lot shorter. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, I'm actually going to add in a little bit of another product. I wasn't previously, but I think because I kind of want to lay the back down a little bit more, I'm going to add just a little bit of gel, not too much, and obviously I'm going to be using my favorite gel. What gel is that, you ask? Well, hold on just a second and I'll show you. Done! I think I'm like a broken record. I talk about this gel all the time, but it's the best one. So I'm gonna use it. So it's the Aunt Jackie's Don't Shrink Flaxseed Elongating Curling Gel. And this gel is actually good for a little bit of a hold as well, but not too much, and it doesn't flake or anything. So I'm gonna use just a little bit of it in the back. Readjust the hair tie. Okay, there's just one more thing that I'm missing. Ta-da! I of course have to go and beat my face. Like, what look is complete without one? So there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. As always, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you know my next video goes live, and leave any questions, comments, concerns that you have in the comment section. So until next time.